Today is September 2, 2023, and it's so bright. We are here in FarmPlate. So for today's vlog, we will try to live here in the farm. So this is FarmPlate. This is a famous farm here in Legazpi. So if you want to visit and try to feel what it's like in living in the farm, this is the place where you go. The entrance is 65 for kids and 85 for adults, and you can go anywhere here. It's like full access. So I'm gonna show you around, guys. It's actually pretty here. So meron din siyang playground. Ayan, I'll show you. So these are the playground for kids. As meron din siyang barbecue area. Actually, there is a famous movie that they just launched recently here, which is the I Love Lisa. It's a Filipino movie, and it was shot here. So pwede kayo guys here mag-picnic. So yun nga po guys, kailangan nyo magdala ng ID para makapaghiram kayo ng mat. Free naman siya, you don't have to pay, but ayan yung mat, hiniram namin. I mean, there are a lot of chairs and tables, but it's still nice to have picnic, diba? Because we are in the farm, so this is the best way for you to do. Ayan. So ganyan po yung mat niya. Matulog na po tayo, unad na lang yung kulang. So meron siyang windmill, like so pretty.
Ito tayo doon. Lumilipad-lipad ako.
Okay. Pasok na ako. Welcome. So we are here in one of their spots. So this is what it looks like in the morning, but later tonight they have some lights here that they will turn on, and this is gonna be an amazing spot for pictures later. So guys, this is iba.
It's called iba.
Iba. It's very sour. We used to eat this when I was young, and then you just have to dip it in the salt. And super asim niya. I don't know if I can still eat it, but I get one. We will try to eat it later. And I don't know if this is a real cemetery, but it's called...
Cemetery ng aso.
Oh yeah. It's a tombstone pet cemetery. How cool is that? So if you have a pet and it died, you can probably bury them here. And yan, meron silang parang mga tombstone. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, look at that. Parang bago lang siya, and then tutubuan na lang siya ng mga flowers and garden. How cool is that? So this is a cemetery that is dedicated for pets, and you can bring pictures. The owner of this farm is very intelligent. Kasi diba, when your pet died, sometimes you don't know where to bury them. Sometimes sa likod bahay, or you don't know. But this is a good spot kasi parang it's my first time to see yung cemetery for animals talaga, especially mga pet lover. Tapos pupunta ka lang dito, you know. And ang cute ng mga name ng mga pet nila. I'll show you. Here, oh, like taco. And meron din sila mga message, like, we will always love you, taco. Thank you for the joy and the love you gave us. Aww. Meron din siyang pictures, so you can put pictures of your animals. So, yung Choco Justin, Xavier, Rocky, Lily, Jade, yan. At first, I thought, puro tao yung nakalibing dito, pero animals naman pala. And, it's nice. This is very nice. I'll show you. Oh, marami na siya. Ayan. So, it's the best spot to pay tribute sa mga pet natin na minahal tayo. 'Di ba? Syempre, yung ibang mga pet lovers, pag namatayan ng animals is sobrang sakit, and wala syempre gusto natin ibigay yung best sa mga pet natin. And it's a good spot na meron ng libingan for pets. So like if they want to visit, at least they can just come here tuwing anniversary, that anniversary ng pet nila. So guys, as you can see, what I showed you are the restaurant. May mga restaurant dito. They even have ramen here. So, rather than kayo mag-picnic, you can, I think you can bring your own food. Or, bili na lang kayo sa restaurant nila. So guys, you all know we are in the farm, right? Pero I'll just wanna show you their CR. So ito yung CR nila, and pag open mo, may bidet, may tissue, which is common. Which is not common is may chandelier sa CR. So, di ba? Parang unrealistic naman nung chandelier sa CR, pero nakakalakas, maka-aesthetic. And I guess the entrance is worth it kasi they really make the place clean and very tourist friendly. So, kayo mag-alala kung natatay kayo. There's a bidet. So, nila. Very feel at home.
Grabe, parang nasa bahay lang kayo ha. Di pa talaga kayo nanood?
Very feel at home yan. Oh. So, meron silang mga gazebo. Like this one. Ayan. Meron siyang duyan. Pagod ako. In Albay or Bicol, this is the best place for you to go. Kasi, especially from my side, I'm living in Manila. Although taga Bicol man ako, pero I'm living in Manila, and Manila is so exhausting. The traffic, the pollution. Ito guys, fresh air. Although kahit mainat siya guys, ang sarap kasi yung hangin. Tinawag ko yung mga ayan, asko, makakatulog tayo dito. Ayan na. Picture mo kami, pangit ng cellphone mo.
Ayan. 1, 2.
At ito ka mag-picture, cellphone namin. So later guys, I'll show you around. For the meantime,
Hi guys.
mag-picture muna kami. Hello, mga viva, mabuhay. Nini, miss you. Nini, miss you na kita.